What's going on, guys? Welcome to beautiful Palm Springs. I'm Patrick, here with VentureXplorer. I'm gonna show you what we got out here. Beautiful views. More beautiful view is right here behind you. Come on. This is the Camperboxx, as you can see. Kind of give you just a functionality, how it works, how to shove everything out, and how to get yourself started camping. Flip out, again, in. Flip out, go inside, and push your slide out. All right, guys, now that we're all popped up and popped out, just gonna kind of give you a little concept of what we're all about. See, what we have here is our trailer application. You know that we are obviously known for being able to put these pods inside of a high top van and create a camper van. This application, there's no need for it right now. All we have right here is 2,900 pounds. 1,800 pounds on our pod, 1,100 pounds on this trailer we have right here. So you're looking at 2,900 pounds. We're towing it with a Toyota Tacoma, any Ford Ranger, or any small SUV that has the towing package, absolutely no problem with this thing. All of our slide outs, we have dual ball bearing slides right here and one on the other side. We also have shock assisted as you're pushing the rooftop up and extending your rooftop. Another thing is also nice, this actually has the electric jack system. This one's got a 38-inch jack system. That's one of our highest ones, but we also do offer a foot that has extenders, get this thing all the way up to 42 inches. 10 D-rings in total. We got 4 on the back, 2 high points, 2 low points. And we also offer on every single unit a winch hook in the front and the back. We got 2 more side D-rings right here on each side for a total of 10. 1 on each side, 4 on the front, 4 on the back. We also have our 110 slot right here. Once you get the trailer to the actual campsite, go ahead and plug your 110 in there and be powered off of that. And speaking of power, let's go inside. I want to show you something as well. Got more than 8 hours of continuous runtime on that one battery pack. But with all of our LED systems, they have low amp draw, so you're gonna be out here having fun for a long, long time. Got other actual lights here. Got a couple of other amenities to go around. We're gonna go through a couple of those right here. I'm gonna fold this guy down. And right here is gonna be our table. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fold out the bed. Put that there, and then this one just for a little bit extra support. All right, guys, so now that we got this all folded out, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down. I'm 6 foot and I got plenty of room to spare. Right here is gonna be your air conditioning ports. This is where it's gonna be pumped out. If you're on this type of application where it's sitting on the trailer, you're just gonna be pumping it right out of the trailer. For our van applications, this actually gets put into the front window while you're using your air conditioning. Your air conditioning tubes get put to here so you're not filling your cab up with all the hot air. This here is our roll of cold weather insulation. Our Velcro right here is gonna be Velcroed for here, and this is gonna go all the way around and actually give you a lot more insulation when the cold weather days or cold nights. Right here, we have our toilet. Didn't see that. So now that we got our shower all set up, ready to go, let's go over a little bit more of the top here. So we also have an option, but when you do have your rooftop tent, you'll actually be installing a hatch in this. So that way you have easy access from inside of your pod to crawl right up into your tent. You're gonna be lowering the tent down, crawling in there, sleeping, lowering it there, putting it back up. Luggage rack for crossbars, so you can put your kayaks, you can put your bikes, you can put a lot of different stuff on the top. Also, we're going to be actually having a 360-degree awning that you can put on it as well. with a closed-in shower for your nature showers. So you'd be standing right here, taking your shower outside, but you'd still be completely enclosed within your tent and under your shade. All right, guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with us. Stay tuned though, because very shortly we're gonna have a video of taking this off of the trailer and putting it back into the back of a van. So how easy it is just to kind of slide it in and slide it out. But in the meantime, I got a couple of days here. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna get to camping. All right, guys, thanks for coming out. I'll see you guys next time on your next VentureXplorer Exchange. Oh, that was gonna be good! All right, guys, thanks for coming out. I'll see you next time on your next VentureXplorer Exploration.